Today, we're going to learn how to create amazing AI cake decorating videos. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. Next, send it to ChatGPT. It will generate 10 different video ideas for you. We'll choose the one we like best, then simply send the number of that idea back to ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will create everything we need for the project. Now it's time to start creating the video. First, click Copy to Image prompt. Then, head over to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, then select these settings: Image, 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. Paste the prompt, then click Generate. Once the image has finished generating, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 1 prompt. Now return to Google Flow. Click here and choose Video, Frames, 9:16, OmniFlash, 8 seconds, and X1. Then, click on the generated image and select Animate. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Once the first video is finished, go to the last frame of the video and click Save Frame. Next, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 2 prompt. Return to Google Flow once again. Click on the saved image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Generate. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!